In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in Xero. We'll go through a series of steps that will enable you to design an invoice template tailored to your business needs, all in under 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First of all, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Go to the Xero website and click on the Login button. If you haven't used Xero before, it's accounting software that helps businesses with tasks like managing invoices, payroll, and more. Enter your email and password, then click Login again to access your account. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Look up to the top left of the screen and click on your company name. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. It will take you to a new screen with various configuration options specific to your company's needs. Next, find and click on Invoice Settings. This area lets you manage how your invoices appear to clients. Now let's go ahead and click on New Branding Theme. This is essentially creating a new style for our invoices. In the new branding theme settings, you'll see an option to select Custom Docs. Click on it. This allows you to create a completely personalized invoice layout using a standard Word document. The first thing you'll want to do is type in a name for your new branding theme. Make sure it's something descriptive like Custom Invoice 2025 so you'll easily recognize it later. After you name your theme, click OK to confirm and save this new style. Once you've saved it, you'll have the option to download a sample template. Click on Download next to the template. This will download a docx file to your computer that you can customize using any word processing software that supports this file type. Open the downloaded template and start customizing. You can add your company logo, change colors, fonts, and even rearrange columns and rows to suit your preference. Take your time with this step to ensure your invoice conveys your brand identity effectively. Once you're satisfied with your customized template, head back to Xero, look for the upload button and click it. You'll be prompted to select your customized docx file from your computer. After selecting it, it will be uploaded to Xero and integrated into your branding theme. Finally, to apply this template to your invoices, navigate to the invoice browser in Xero and select your new template. Hit the upload button one more time to make everything official. And that's it. You've now successfully created and customized an invoice template in Xero. This new template will automatically apply to all future invoices, giving them a professional and personal touch. Thanks for watching, and good luck customizing your own business invoices.